Curious how to set up or open your Baisic Restaurants account? Let's begin. First, open the Baisic Restaurants app. Baisic Restaurants gives you a few easy ways to get started. You can continue with Google, Apple, or your email address. Whether you're signing in or signing up, the steps are exactly the same. Today, I'll show you 2 ways to create an account. Let's start with using your email. Here, you'll see the email field. Enter your email address. For this example, I'll use ann.collette@yahoo.com. Once you've entered your email, tap Sign In. Baisic will send a sign-in link to your email. Here's a sample of what that email looks like. Now tap Sign In to Baisic Apps. This redirects you back to the Baisic Restaurants app and automatically creates an account for you, or opens your existing one if you already have one. And that's how easy it is using your email. Now let's move on to the second method, signing up with Google. Tap Continue with Google, and when the prompt appears, just tap Continue. This opens the Sign In with Google modal, showing all of your saved accounts. From here, select the Google account you want to use. For this example, I'll choose Ann Collette's account. After selecting an account, tap Continue to share your details with Baisic. And that's how easy it is using your Google account. It works the same way with Apple, too. As a bonus, you'll get 200 free credits to start creating your first restaurant, a great way to get hands-on experience with the app. That's it. Now you know how to create or access your Baisic Restaurants account, whether by email, Google, or Apple. Your next steps? Creating a restaurant, adding menus and recipes, and managing your staff. But that's a story for another tutorial. Enjoy exploring the app and have fun managing your restaurants.